In today's video, I'll show you how to create a line with an arrowhead in Autocad using the Leader tool for clear and precise annotations. Using the Leader tool. Whether you're new to Autocad or simply brushing up on your skills, this tutorial will guide you through each step in creating a precise and effective arrowed line. So let's dive right in. To get started, we'll head over to the Home tab on the Autocad interface. That's where you'll find a range of options and tools designed to make your drafting efficient and precise. Once there, look for the Annotation panel. Annotation is vital in Autocad as it helps convey important details and measurements in your designs clearly. In the Annotation panel, you'll see an option called Leader. Click on it to activate the Leader tool, which is specifically designed to create lines with arrowheads that help you point out and label different sections or aspects of your drawing. Once you've selected the Leader tool, it's time to draw. The first point you specify in your drawing will determine the location of the arrowhead. So think carefully about where you want this to be. Click to set it, and then move your cursor to your desired second point, which will be the end of the leader, or in simpler terms, the tail of the line. This step essentially connects your arrowhead to the desired location, creating a guiding line. It's often used to direct attention or to indicate a particular item or note in your drawings. Now, after placing your arrow, you might notice there's a pesky horizontal tail lingering on your arrow that you'd rather not have. It's common to want a cleaner, more streamlined arrow without unnecessary lines that may clutter up your drawing. To refine this, we can easily remove it. Start by selecting the arrow you've just created. This will highlight it for modification. Once it's selected, locate your command line, which is a crucial part of Autocad, allowing you to input various commands directly. In the command line, type the word explode. Exploding is an Autocad command used to disassemble a compound object into its individual components. By doing this, you break the arrow into separate pieces. Now, with your arrow exploded, you have the flexibility to delete or trim off that